Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Guys, guess what I got in the mail today? Guess what I got in the mail today? Oh my goodness, guys. I got my Beautylish Jeffree store box in the mail today. Now, these are the surprise bags. This is not the Jeffree store. Like, they have like they do like the lucky bags. That's like they have like the XL lucky bags and stuff like that. That's not what this is. This is the Jeffree store surprise bags. Woohoo! I literally ordered this like a day or two ago and I just got this in. The box says 2-day delivery on here, so I'm not sure why they ship it out so fast, but your girl ain't complaining. So this box retails, I'm going to have it up above or to the side, probably to the side. It retails for $75 and it's supposed to be a $165 value. That's right. You heard it here first. No, I'm joking. I'm sure you guys already know that already. But I cannot wait to see what I got because this is my second surprise bag for Jeffree stores through Beautylish, and the one that I got last year was amazing. I got this beautiful like lipstick holder. It was great. If you guys want to see what I got in my last Jeffree store surprise bags from last year, I'll link that video down below. If you're new to my channel, you guys are in for a treat because I love all of Jeffree store's mystery boxes. I do all of his mystery boxes. I do the Beautylish mystery boxes. I do Jeffree store's mystery boxes. Speaking of Jeffree store mystery boxes, I did order the 2 boxes that he currently has out for sale. Of course, you guys know I will never miss any of his mystery boxes. I will always get them all. Because why? I have no self-composure. I can't compose myself. I just love his mystery boxes. I never buy any of his stuff. I always buy them when they have the mystery boxes. So to me, it's worth it because I never really buy the stuff. I do like his stuff, but I have a whole bunch of makeup already. I do almost like every subscription box. So I don't ever need any makeup, skincare, anything. So these are like a treat for me. So if you guys want to know what I got in my Jeffree store mystery boxes, then keep on watching. Alrighty guys, so I'm gonna get into the box. But like I said, if you guys love Jeffree store mystery box unboxings, I should do a playlist just for my Jeffree store mystery box unboxings because I have a gazillion of them at this point. So if you guys are curious in all my other Jeffree store mystery box unboxings, I'll link that down below as well because your girl loves mystery boxes. I'll also link, while I'm at it, all of my makeup mystery unboxings that I've done ever on my channel because I have a lot. But anyway, that's not what you guys are here for. You guys are like,
Aisha, please get into the unboxing.
So here it goes. So let's see if this is worth $165. So I can't believe this got here so fast. Like, holy macaroni. So when you open her up, this is what she looks like. And let's see what I got. So there was a whole bunch of like black tissue paper. And it looks like most of my stuff is in this like little... Yes! Yes, 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 yes! I'm so glad that I decided to get this because there's 2 palettes in here that your girl don't got. So what is this, guys? What is this? What is this? What is this? This says Jeffree Star Cosmetics, Shane Dawson. Is this a mirror, guys? I want to say I have like 6 or 7 of his mirrors now, just from all of like my mystery boxes that I do on the channel. Oh yes, guys! So I actually got the black mirror to this in one of my Jeffree Star mystery boxes, but now I have the blue one.
Go me, go me, go me.
I'm so excited for this. So I'm happy about the first thing I got. And it looks like they gave me 2 mirrors. So which mirror is this? All right. Ooh. Yes, I got the chromed out mirror. Super excited. Super excited. Now, Lord knows I don't need any more of his mirrors, but they're like collector pieces. And I'm sure I see other people, they have like 10 of his mirrors. And I at this point, what let me see, 6, 7, 8, I have 8 of them, probably even more. So they're cool collector pieces. I love the mirrors. I'm here for the mirrors. But let's dig into the fun stuff. Actually, I guess I'll show you the boring stuff. Let me just show you this really quick. This is from Beautylish. They always throw some samples into their mystery boxes. So I got a sample of R & Co. So R Bay is like high-end like hair products. The sister company is R & Co. And I got the Television Perfect Hair Shampoo and Perfect Hair Conditioner, which I want to say I've received the shampoo and the conditioner in my FabFitFun box, which in one of my unboxings I did, but who knows where that's at, like at this point. I just have so much stuff. 2022, I am definitely purging and getting rid of a lot of stuff that I'm not going to have time to use, and giving stuff away. This is a year of giving for Aisha. So I could cry. Oh my. I could cry because guys, I'm so happy. I got the Jeffree Star Pink Religion eyeshadow palette. So let's open her up because I do not own this and I am super stoked right now to finally own this bad boy. So if you're new to my channel, pink is my favorite color. So loving the pink and gold. Ooh, this is so pretty, guys. Look at this. Look at this, guys. I'm loving it. And I love that it's like it's supposed to be like a Bible. Only Jeffree Star. I love how he's so innovative with his products. The next thing, guys. Guys, if you follow my Jeffree Star mystery unboxings, you guys hear me every time hoping and wishing and praying that I would finally get this thirsty palette. And every box I'll get like the orgy palette and all the other palettes that he has, except for this palette, and this palette he doesn't sell anymore. So I was like, I'm not gonna buy it though, because it's like I can't break my streak of never buying any of his stuff. It's just I practically have his whole collection from just mystery boxes because you get so much stuff in them. So I'm like, I'm not gonna buy it. If it's meant to be, I'll get it in a mystery box. And the time has finally came because your girl got the Jeffree Star Thirsty Palette. Yeah, I'm so super stoked. Like, guys, you know when you get something on TV and it's like, well, that's the moment that I'm having literally right now. Let's take a look. Oh, this is so beautiful. Guys, I could cry. Ooh. It was worth the wait. And then these are all of like the metallic ones. One on the top and one on the bottom is matte. Guys, I could barely talk because I'm super excited to finally get to try these palettes. Super excited. Super excited, and it still goes on. It still goes on. So I got a Bronze Blood liquid lip. I don't think I own this one. Don't own this one. Super excited. This is a beautiful color. I definitely would wear it. The next thing I got is a Velour liquid lipstick, and oh my god. Don't own this as well. I'm doing good with this mystery box. This is beautiful. And I got 2 glosses. I got Shockwave. I don't own this one. Oh, this is beautiful. Beautiful. And I got Candy Drip. Came through dripping. Drip, drip. Who knows that song? Comment down below if you know what song that is. And then I got, this is the 2 new glosses. Guys, I got 2 liquid lips, 2 glosses, 2 mirrors, and 2 palettes. And that's all she wrote. But your girl is super
excited.
I can't wait to try all my stuff out because I don't have any of these items. So it did good because like the last mystery box I had, I pretty much had practically everything. And I'm excited for this one because I have stuff that I can actually try and play with. And I'm super excited because I got the Jeffree store now. His official mystery boxes will be coming out. Well, they're already out, but I ordered both for them. And I'm super excited to try those things out. So stay tuned for that video because that's where I'm going to be having my giveaway. Because 9 times out of 10, his mystery boxes, I always end up getting a lot of dupes. But that's because I have all his stuff practically anyway. But super excited, guys. Woo! Guys, your girl is going to bed tonight happy because she got some new makeup to try with. I'm definitely going to try these looks out tomorrow. Have a good day, guys.